Hey friends, if you encounter gateway timeout error, an error occurred Windows 11 servers down at the moment, then please watch this video. A lot of people are saying that it is an issue with the network, and to be on the safer side, we will check the network. Okay. So is the internet speed good enough? If it is, then proceed to the next step. And the next step is to check for Microsoft Server status, and you need to search for it on Bing or Google, anywhere that you want to. But the main website is not any other third party website. Go to portal.microsoft.com/server status. So I have already sorted this out. Make sure that you have tick marks all over the list, and if not, then it is a problem. So just make sure that the tick marks exist all over the list. And then you can update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. This is all that can be done at this stage, because if the server is down, let us say that you had a cross in any of these options and that specific service was not working, then there's nothing that you can do about it. And once you have updated Windows, you're done with it from your end. And if the network is working, then you're done with it from your end. So this is the best that you can do to counter this issue, else you will have to wait. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.